stadium's been here since we bought the land in 1907. First game was played here in 1909. It's been the home of England Rugby ever since, and arguably it's the global home of rugby. Twickenham Stadium has constantly evolved in its 115-year history and really looked at the fan experience and tried to build a product that all of our fans come and love. Our sound system was 20 years old and frankly didn't meet our needs anymore. For us, it was about trying to get a quality audio experience for every single fan in every single seat. And our audio system didn't do that. So it was time to replace it, to upgrade it, and really to try to be one of the best stadiums out there when it comes to that audio experience.
There's a lot of processes to go through when you come to install a new system like this.
So there's quite a bit that needs to be sort of worked through and thought through in the design of a sound system.
The opening line to the team was it had to be a compliant PAVA system. We had to make sure we were achieving British standards recommendations within the Stadium Bowl. Secondly to that was obviously the audio experience from the client.
So the system needs to be capable of achieving high sound pressure levels. It also needs to be intelligible in that we need to be able to clearly hear announcements and instructions.
Without the Stadium PA system to actually broadcast those emergency messages, obviously the stadium couldn't function, so it's one of the key parts of the stadium, yes.
Life safety is absolutely critical. That's the fundamental part of delivering and running any major stadium. But the fan experience is becoming more and more important. Creating that fan experience through audio is key, and it goes beyond rugby. We do concerts here, we do conferences and events, and actually changing this place to make it a really multi-purpose stadium is underpinned by a quality audio system.
And so it was important that the loudspeakers used performance quality components. So we selected JBL's VLA Compact line array solution, which is a stadium specific solution which shares components with their flagship touring systems.
The JBL VLAC is really giving you that best solution in that it's specifically designed for outdoor application of use.
As a stadium specific design, it's IP rated so that it can be permanently installed in a stadium without any concerns of damage from water ingress or other weather concerns.
But it's also taking that touring class technology that has been designed and innovated from JBL.
We had most of the system already pre-designed and pre-built. We actually assembled the arrays here and then they were hoisted up into the roof.
That was then complemented with JBL AWC, which was then used as the under balcony fills to ensure maximum coverage throughout the space.
We also have to have coverage for the pitch for when they're using it for events. So we've got some PD-6322s covering the pitch.
All of that was then powered by the Crown DCi's utilising the DriveCore, which is providing high power but very efficient amplification. The end client needed to ensure that they had the ability to monitor the integrity of the loudspeaker circuits, and that's one of the key functionalities of the DCi. We were also utilising the Dante for audio distribution from the centralised DSP solution out into the remote rack rooms.
The new stadium system is phenomenal. The clarity is unbelievable.
It was phenomenal. It was great. Really punchy sound, clear announcements, really great atmosphere. It was really good.
It sounds really good, and I think everyone's quite happy with it.
Yeah, over the moon. It really is a fantastic system. I've been fortunate enough to come to a couple of games, and just listening to comments from other spectators along the stands, it's clear it's made a really significant improvement to that matchday experience.
To give them that audio experience alongside of everything else that the RFU and Twickenham do so well. It's fantastic to work alongside them and very pleased with the end results.
How could we get a system that every person in every seat could clearly hear that audio? And that's where JBL came in, and the product has been absolutely amazing. Myself and the team, when we heard it for the first time, the smiles on our faces was absolutely brilliant. And you can see it from the fans, and the feedback we get now from fans about the overall experience led by those JBL speakers is unbelievable.